Good morning, everyone. Today marks the first day that I'll be on the road in the van by myself. I'm excited and nervous. As you know, for those of you that have watched our channel before, or those that haven't, Brian, my partner, is away from the van for a while, so I'm going to be in the van by myself trying this whole solo female van life thing. I do have a plan for the next week. I have an exciting destination in mind, which I'll be telling you all about very soon. But for now, I have van chores this morning to do and stuff that Brian usually takes care of. So see how that goes for me. Take you along for the ride. You can see what it's like, especially those of you that might be thinking about doing van life by yourself. You can kind of get an idea of like things you have to do daily. And then right now I'm just researching before we get to all those chores where I want to camp tonight. I'm not quite at that place where I'm just gonna like drive and then pull off on a Forest Service road or something like that. I'm too nervous that like I'd get stuck, I won't be able to turn around, any of those sort of things, and I won't have cell phone service. So I'm researching where I want to camp tonight by using iOverlander and the internet, because I do have my destination. So trying to find something before I get there that feels really good. Should be an exciting day today. I'm pretty stoked. I'm excited to take you all along on the ride so you can see what it's like. It just feels good knowing you're all coming with me. There's something that's really comforting about this. So let's find a campsite. After a bit of research, I feel like I generally know where I'm gonna go, and I want a growth opportunity for myself. So I didn't book any particular campsite, I decided, but rather I'm just know the general area I'm gonna go. I'm gonna trust that I'm gonna find something. I think I might even get there late, so this will be a good experience. It'll be good growth for me. So, but first thing I need to do before I hit the road is make some fresh juice. And hi, Radar. Hi, buddy. Yeah, come here. What are you doing? Come on. Come on, buddy. Radar, come on. Oh, he's got the zooms. Shoot. This is what Radar does when he gets excited. He just zooms around. What are you doing, bud? Hi. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Good job, bud. Yeah, I'm excited to see you too. Hi. So first things first this morning is I'm going to make some juice for the road. I'm going to take the opportunity while we're here, my parents' place, to make some juice. There's my dad. This is my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hi.
Because we had a juicer in the van and it was way too complicated to do juicing. It just took a lot of water and all these different things. So I'm going to take the opportunity to make some juice for my road trip today. So let's do it. So now it's time for me to get my whole self cleaned up, and then we're gonna hit the road. Okay, next van chore is getting water for the van. I'm gonna fill it up here as a test, and I'm going to do it by myself. My mom has helped me before, but this time she's just going to hold the camera, and I got to figure out how to do water completely on my own, run back and forth while it's filling so I don't overflow the water tank. So let's try it. Okay. We did it.
Here we go.
Okay, so we feel confident about this. Now I have to go check inside and see how it's doing. Okay, what have we got? Okay, it's just about ready. Okay, we can shut it off. I feel like this is a good lesson for any of you. You probably have rain all over this. At least do everything once before you go out and do it in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so got the water done. Whoop, whoop. One chore down. Feel pretty stoked on that. Like I can totally do this on my own. This little thing is awesome because it has the stopper. I'm going to leave a link in the description for all of you. This is super cool. I can see why Brian got it. So this is good. That was good. I feel like I can definitely go to a gas station now. And now we're all full on the water. Now it's time to hit the road. Oh, hey, I know. I gotta go right there. Oh, look at this cutie.
Oh, yes, I know. I'm gonna miss you. I miss you.
Okay, I gotta get going. Okay, bye, Dad.
Bye. I love you.
I love you too. Okay, bye, Mom.
Okay.
Okay, wish me luck.
All right. Have a good trip, hon.
Okay, thanks,
We
Mom.
love
Good
you
trip.
a lot.
Have a good
I love you too, Dad.
It's really nice to see you.
Yeah.
It was nice to see you, Dad. For all of you is I'm like an hour behind schedule. I thought I was gonna be a little further along than where I am now, and it's starting to get dark, so I have to figure out where I want to stop, and like I didn't prepare for this at all, and I don't have signal, so I can't look up anything on iOverlander. This is such a rookie mistake by me, so don't do what I'm doing. So lesson in trust is that I'm going to trust I'm going to see like a pull off, something I recognize even, go down a Forest Service road, or maybe there'll even be a campground or something. It's kind of late though. Okay, everyone, you probably can't see me that well, but I found a campsite, and I'm gonna try backing up. Oh my gosh, I hate backing into sites. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I think I did it. Like my nerves are so shot right now. Let's go out and check my parking job. Check it out. Look at this. I did it. Yes. I know for some people you're probably like, wow, you backed into a space. What a big deal. But I don't care because for me, this is a huge deal. And I purposely got a full hookup site so that I could test my hooking up skills. And so I could show you all that I could do it. Over here. Okay, I feel like I can do this. Okay, so we need this bad boy. Take it. Plug that in. This bad boy goes in here. Twist this. Remember Brian said I had to switch these on. Okay, now to see if it worked. So if I did it right, the green light should be on, and that's how I'll know I have power. Yeah, baby! Woo! Oh my gosh, this feels so good. I got power. I backed into a parking space. I didn't get into a panic. It was a little difficult to back in, especially when it was kind of dark out. But I feel like it was a growth experience, so I'm proud of that. This feels really good. I hope that those of you that are also thinking about doing van life by yourself that have hesitations like I do, like what do you do if you don't have a parking spot and all this stuff? Like I really hope this supports you, because I think that it's the scary things that help us grow, and it's worth doing even if you're scared. And that's one reason was like excited about this and like a little scared, is because I was like, I love growth. I love growth opportunities, and this feels like one. So I'm just going to read a book and probably pop some CBD to calm my nerves and go to bed early tonight, because it looks like we're actually at a really beautiful spot and I want to share it with all of you tomorrow. So, did it! So, slight change of plans. Changed into Brian's t-shirt because I like the way it smells. Kind of feels like he's here with me. But my nerves are like so like, that I'm not, like the idea of even eating food is like, nah, like not the best choice. So instead I'm going to make myself a nice cup of tea for the evening. See what we have to make. I think I have like a really nice calming blend. Oh, I did make a sleep tea the other day. Yeah, let's see what I got going on actually. So we have a lot of different stuff up here, but I think this one is my, sleep tea. So we have hops, chamomile, hawthorn berry. Forget what else I have in there. I think a little bit of skullcap, maybe some passion flower. I'll make some of this for tonight. Cool. Well, I'm going to cozy into bed, everyone. Finally, after what I feel like is a very productive day. I'm going to read my new book, The Midnight Library. Have any of you read this? So far, so good. I really like it. Also heard from a couple of you on Instagram that you've read it too. But tomorrow we do have a couple chores to do. When I say we, I'm talking about us. People know that. So we have a couple chores we're going to do. Really just the toilet. So tomorrow is toilet, and I'm going to also show you this really just beautiful lake. But that I feel like has had a lot of damage from all the forest fires, but anyways, it'll be nice. So I will see you all in the morning. I'm going to go relax now. Mwah! Night, everybody. Good morning, everyone. I hope you can hear me okay. The highway's not that far away, so it's a little bit loud this morning, but I slept great last night. I slept like a baby, actually. I think I was just like, my nervous system was like, especially after having like a nice cup of tea. But this morning, we're going to be doing the toilet. As in we, I mean me. So let's see how this goes. Okay, step one, totally worked out, got the toilet out. Now, step two, I'm gonna separate the urine from the other part and then take the lid off. Getting the lid on, I tried this one time before. I couldn't get it on without somebody else, so feeling positive vibes, people, positive vibes, we got this. Okay, so I got my compostable bag to put the compost in, got my cleaner, got my, just in case, I have reusable paper towels. I probably won't be ever reusing this though in case it gets dirty. An extra compost bag, just in case, and baby wipe, because you never know. Okay, and then I have to get the compost stuff. Let me go do that real quick, totally forgot. Got it. Let's do it. Okay, so now we just put this bad boy in with some water and we're good to go. As long as I can get that top back on. I just really hope I put enough water in. Or I didn't put too much. Too much would be a big issue, because then I'd have to take some back out. But whatever, we'll see. Oh my gosh, you guys. I got the top back on. Yes! I was so concerned that I was gonna have to like try and get help from a stranger, and I know nobody would want to do it. I'd probably be one of the few people that'd be like, sure, I don't care. Oh, now I'm just gonna do a little clean on the toilet because I like a clean toilet, you know? Heck yeah, peeps! So now I just have to put this bad boy back inside and then go empty the urine tank. I'm right next to the campsite bathrooms. So, wrap this baby up. Well, high five, team. We did it. Now I'm just gonna make some herbal coffee and then go check out this beautiful lake. And yeah, feels really good to do this by myself.
You want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
So I think it is time to hit the road and get to descend on Bend. I won't be making a video about it, but if you want to check out all the details and what I'm going to be up to, definitely check out our Instagram. I'll leave a link with our social links down in the description below. Thank you all so much for coming along on this journey with me. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like, and if you have not already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. It really supports the growth of our channel, and be sure to hit that bell button as well, and I will see you all next week. Stay adventurous, everybody.